Hi, welcome back. Today's video will be about decimal place values. Okay, and as you remember with whole numbers, we looked at a chart that helped us determine the place value. We'll do the same with decimals to find their place value. So let's see. We start with ones, and then with the whole numbers, we would go left. It would look like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. But today we'll be looking at the decimal place value, so we'll be moving to the right, which would look like tenths with a TH, hundreds, thousands, and then we'll have 10,000s. You see that? Okay. And another way, if you just want to visualize what we'll be looking at, think of a decimal as this. Let's say we have one square. This is a square. Within that square, we could have 10 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that? So you have 10 strips makes one square. If we take one strip out of the square, it looks like this. This strip is equivalent to 0.1, or you may see it as 1/10, which is the same as 1/10. You see that? Now let's say we took one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We took one square out of the strip. That square would be the equivalence of 0.01, or you may see it as 100, or 1/100. You see that? And with the decimals, we want to look at all the numbers in terms of tens. So this is one whole square, which is, it could be 100, for example, right? And then each strip is 10. And then if we take out a square of that strip, it'll be 100ths, or 1/100. Okay? So let's say we're giving a number 6.25. With that number, we want to determine the place value as a decimal. Let's use our chart up here. So that's 6. It would start here. This would be the ones. And then as you know, to the right, when you're dealing with decimals, this 2 would be the tenths. And the 5, it will become the hundredths. So this number would read 6, and the decimal would be the and, 6 and 25 hundredths. See that? That's it. So that would be the place value of that particular number. Let's say we have another one. Okay, same step. If you look at the chart, you see the 5 will be the ones place. The 8 is a tenth, and then the 9 is the hundredths. So you would write this number and read it as 5 and 89 hundredths. That's it. Now let's say you have something like this. Okay, so it's the same step. Look at the chart. We know that 0 starts here, and then everything after the decimal begins here. So this place is the tenths. You're going to write this as 0 and 4 tenths. Let's try one more. Let's say you have a larger number. Okay, and it's the same step. So you'll see this value here is tenths. Okay, you see it? Hundredths. Okay, thousands. And then the 3 is 10,000. So this number you write as 0 and 463 10,000. See that? That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.